Hello my dear student, I welcome you all to the maths class. So in today's session we will be doing exercise 13.3 question number 1, which is in page number 263 of your maths book. So question number 1 state that write the following numbers in expanded form. So this is very easy. Just have to expand the number. So in our earlier class, still in class 4 5, what we have done, if you have to expand this 435, how you used to expand 4 into 100, as because the position of the 100, sorry, the position of the 4 is 100, ones, tens and 100. Then you will be plus, you will be doing the plus 3 into 10 because 3 is in tens position, then plus 5 is in 1 position, so it is 1, right? This is how we have to expand in this class also, in this exercise also, that we can write this in the exponential form. So how many how many zeros are there? 2. So 10 square can be written. Similarly 10 to the power 1 into 5 into 10 to the power 0 can be written. So remember, 1 can be written as 10 to the power 0, as because any base having power 0 or exponent 0 will be written as 1. So this is now little extra thing which we have to study in this exercise. Okay, otherwise the process, the method is very similar to the previous method which we have done in the earlier class. Okay, so write the following numbers in expanded form of 279404. So at first what you are going to write, you will be writing 2. Yes, the first number. Now 2 is in which position? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh, right? In lakh position. So that means after 2 how many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5. So that means it can be written as 2 3 4 5. That means how many digits after 2? That will be represented, that many zeros should be given after 2. Plus 7 into how many zeros are there? 4. So 1 2 3 4 should be written there. Next 9 into 1 0 0, because there is 3 zeros, so 3 zeros should be written. 1000 plus 4 into 1 0 0, it is 100. So let me take the space of this also. Okay, now plus after 4 what is the digit? 0. Don't neglect 0, because 0 is in tens position. At least you have to write this 10 plus 4 into 1, because 4 is in which position? 1's position, isn't it? Now this can be written in the form of exponential form. So how many zeros are there? 5, as it is in lakh. So 10 to the power 5 plus 7 into 10 to the power 4. Now this will decrease, the exponent will go on decrease like this. 5 4, then 9 into 10 cube, 10 to the power 3, 4 into 10 square, 10 to the power 2, 0 into 10 can be written as 10 to the power 1 plus 4 into 10 to the power 0 can be written. So this will be your expanded form of 279404. I hope you guys understood it. Right, proceeding to part B, 3006194. We have to expand this number. Okay, so 3, after 3 how many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 3 into 1, 1 2 3 4 5 6 can be written like this. Plus after 0 is there, into after 0 how many? 1 2 3 4 5. So 1 2 3 4 5 0 can be written like this. Similarly 0, then 4 0, 1 2 3 4, plus after 6 how many digits are there? 3 digits, as it is in thousand position. 1 2 3 plus 1 into 100, 100 plus 9 into 10 plus 4 into 1, right? So according to the place value, we are writing that 3 is in which position? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So that is why how many zeros should be there after 3? 6 zeros should be there, which we have written here. 1 2 3 4 5 6. That's after that 1 2 3 4 5 0. After that 1 2 3 4, then 3 2 1, no 0 after that, isn't it? So this is how we have to expand the number. I hope you guys understood it. Now 3 into 10 to the power 6 can be written here, as because there are how many 6 zeros are there, so that's why our exponent will be 6, plus 0 into 10 to the power 5, as the exponents will decrease as you move forward toward this side. 10 to the power 4 plus 6 into 10 to the power 3 plus 1 into 10 square plus 9 into 10 to the power 1 means 10, plus 4 into 10 to the power 0 means it is 1, isn't it? So this is the expanded form of the number 3006194. Alright guys, I hope you guys understood it. There is not a big problem expanding the number, expanding any number, you all know how to do it. Now only little elaborative in an exponential form we are expressing it, isn't it? Okay, so let us proceed to the next one. Let me take the little greater space, as this will have little. Okay, alright, number C here. 2806194. So we are going to use the same method, that is 2 into, after 2 how many zeros are there? How many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6, so it will be 10 to the power 6. Directly you can write like this also. Okay, 8 plus 8 into, how many zeros are there after 8? 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5. If it will be same, then how is that possible? The place value will not be same in every cases, right? So 8 into 10 to the power 5, then 0 into 10 to the power 4, plus you just need to note this digit, then 6 into 10 cube plus 6 into 10 cube plus 1 into 10 square plus 9 into 10 plus 6 into, directly you can write 10 to the power 1 also, as because 10 to the power 1 means it is in tens position, 10, and 6 is in ones position, so you can write 10 to the power 0. So it is answer which I have written directly here. Okay, proceeding to the part D. 120719. 1 into, after 1 how many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5, so 10 to the power 5, plus 2 into, how many digits are there after 2? After 2 we have is 1 2 3 4, so 10 to the power 4 should be written, plus 0 into 10 cube. If you count it, after 0 you will be finding 3 digit. 7 into 10 square, as because after 7 you are getting 2 digits. Then 1 into 10 to the power 1, as because 1 is in tens position and 10 means 10 to the power 1. 9 into 10 to the power 0 means it is 1, so 9 ones is 9. So this is the expanded form of the given number 120719. Okay, so I hope you guys understood it. This is how we should do it. Proceeding to the last part, this I request you all to do as a home assignment. Okay, so I hope you guys understood, enjoyed today's session. Having any problem, kindly feel free to share with me. Okay, so this much for today. Thank you everyone.